I swear I'm not bananas. But we're going to grow some plants inside this box. Stay tuned. Good morning, Internet family. Guess what I have for you today? I have Anybody Can Garden. Now, I ordered this from Urban Hydrogreens, and this is a microgreen kit. Wait till you see what this is all about. It's very cool. It only cost me $53.40. I know you think that might be a little much, but it comes with the entire kit. It comes with two of these, which one is the bottom and one is the top. It comes with enough of these coconut core wafers. Wait till you see what those things do. And it comes with 8 packs of seeds and all the instructions that you need to get you going. Yes, they got wet and the orange bled onto the white, you know, whatever. Okay, so here's what we do. We add water to these things. These are so cool. Watch this. They just crumble. They crumble apart. They soak up the water and they just like a cardboard box would if you didn't want it to. And it got wet, it would just fall into pieces. So these crumble and then you spread it out in the whole thing. Looks like I might need a little bit more water. Let's get a little bit more water. It's not going to hurt it. There we go. These are so cool. They just expand and then they kind of crumble. Maybe a smidge more. We're inside today because it's super windy still. We had a huge storm last night. Didn't get too much damage. Lots of lightning, lots of thunder. Alright, that's going to be perfect. Okay, so we just spread that out evenly. Well, evenly. Relatively evenly. Yeah, that's good. Alright, let me rinse my hands off real quick. Urban Hydrogreens. It was on Facebook. I don't recall if they had a website. Urban Hydrogreens. This time, we're growing blue curled kale microgreens and seeds. So, I'm just going to sprinkle those across the top. I know, it looks like it's a lot of seeds. But these are only going to grow up a little bit. Now what happens is these take, I've spilled a couple so I'm grabbing them. The kale they even give you instructions. Now on this one it tells you what you're going to get out of it, but it also tells you how many grams per tray. So when you get your own seeds, sunflower seeds, radish seeds, kale, cabbage, radish, pea shoots, onions, mustard, kohlrabi, cilantro, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, bok choy, blue curled kale, beet, basil, and arugula and amaranth. It tells you how many grams of seeds go on each tray. That's very helpful because this came with 4 different varieties, 2 packs of each. So I can buy my own seeds now and just weigh out and I'll know exactly what to put in there. Now all we do at this point is spray the lid, and put the lid on top. Now we're done with it until tomorrow. Blue curled kale is going to be 8 to 10 days. 8 to 10 days it will be ready to harvest. You harvest microgreens when they start putting out their third leaf, because you know those first two are just babies. When they put out their third leaf, they're ready to be harvested. Otherwise, you would need, if you wanted to grow full-size plants, you would of course have to split them up to where they're not quite so close. Then you'd have to start giving them nutrients. Seeds actually have enough of what they need inside to get to that third leaf stage. After that, they would quickly wither and die without some kind of nutrients. But that's when we're going to harvest them. So every day from here for the next until they're ready to harvest, I will be misting them. It comes with this sprayer bottle too. I will be misting this 15 or 20 sprays twice a day, unless it starts looking like it's too wet. If it's too wet, then the roots won't get enough oxygen and you run the risk of having mold. But twice a day, misting it, and then when they get about an inch tall or so, we take the lid off. We also spray the inside of the lid and put it back on every time we do that. When it gets about an inch high, we take the lid off and we put it in the sunny window, and then they'll really start greening up. You can start out with it this way. You could set it on top, wet the bottom of this tray and set it on top. But to me that's a little messy because everything in there wants to stick to the bottom of this tray and it just makes a big mess. So just do it this way. And then, like I said, when they get 1 inch tall, take the lid off, expose them to sunlight, and then you'll start drizzling about a cup of water on there every day, once a day. You just drizzle it. Stop with the spraying and do a little drizzle, and it's no big deal. Just use your, just use your measuring cup and just drizzle that 1 cup of water on there, and you'll see it. You'll see it when they're ready to harvest. When you get ready to harvest, you just clip them all off at the soil level, put them through your salad spinner or a colander just to knock off the seeds that are still stuck to it if you want to, but you'll knock off all that coconut core that's stuck to it. It's not really a big deal to eat that, but yeah, I'm gonna pass. Anyway, we will check back. I'll show you when we get to the next stage, and we'll keep track of our blue curled kale microgreens. Till next time.